Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel again. So today we're making fishy veggie sauce. Yes, you heard right, fishy veggie sauce. As you can see, our chopped onions and peppermint goes into the herb so it fries a bit. So you allow that to fry for about 6 minutes. Your ginger and garlic paste goes into it, the seasoning powder and the salt to taste. That is very important, but just a bit of it. Make sure you deboil the dry fish and the smoked fish. As you can see, everything goes in, then you stir, you allow to cook for about 5 minutes. Oh, our sweet corn goes in, our chopped carrots and our runner beans go also. Then you mix all together, you stir well, then you ensure that the water dries up a bit, and that's all. Our sauce is ready.